Look, my baby. Hold this. Here. Do what you just did. One more time, so everybody could see how strong you are. Holding the clapper. Just don't try to hit yourself this time. Yeah. You're a good girl. Look at you. Yeah, I know you're tired. I make you work hard during our wake time. I know. Flip it one time. No? No more? You over it? Done? Finish? Yeah.